Here I have DOOGE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then you have to go to the System section, then to the Backup, then you have to enable this feature, Backup to Google Drive. What you have to do next is to add your Google account. Of course, you will need internet connection to add Google account, so here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And at last, what you will have to do is to tap Accept here. And then OK. And after that, your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.